Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, hope you all are good and safe at your homes. Today I am here to teach you subject Computer Science, Class 3, Lesson 1, Unit 1, Computer Fundamental Devices, topic Computer and its parts. Today's topic is computer and its parts. In our today's lesson, we will read and learn about computer and its various devices. Dear students, during the lecture, if you open your books in front of you, it will be easier for you to understand. Let's start today's lesson. Here is a picture. Can you tell what it is? Yes, you guessed it. It is a computer. It is a computer. Do you know what is a computer? I give you some time to think about the answer, and your time starts now. You might have thought the answer. Now let's move on to the answer. A computer is an electronic device, programmable device that is used for processing of information and is capable of calculating and sorting information results. Parts of a computer. Now we are going to discuss about the different parts of a computer. A computer has four main parts such as monitor, CPU, keyboard, and mouse, as you can see on your screen. First of all, we are going to discuss about the monitor. The monitor has a screen and it looks like a TV. It displays the output. Whatever work is done or instruction is given on the screen. Here is another important part of computer, which is keyboard. The board with alphabets and numbers on it is called the keyboard. The big and small buttons on it are called keys. Letters can be written using the keys of the keyboard. Here is another important part of the computer, which is mouse. A computer mouse has two buttons on it and a scroll wheel at the center. It is also has a small ball on the bottom, which moves the mouse pointer on the screen. You can see the bottom part of the mouse on your screen. It is called trackball. Here is another most important part of the computer, which is CPU. CPU guides and helps the computer to perform different functions quickly and easily. The CPU is placed inside a box called the system unit. The CPU is the central part of the computer. It is also called the brain of the computer. Peripheral devices of computer. Before moving towards the peripheral devices, you should know what are the peripheral devices. Here is the definition of peripheral device. A peripheral device is an ancillary device used to put information into and get information out of the computer. Here are some examples of peripheral devices: printer, speakers, UPS, and joystick. These are the examples of peripheral devices. Answer the questions. Here are some questions for you, students. Question number 1, what is a computer? Question number 2, what is monitor? Question number 3, define keyboard. Question number 4, define CPU. Question number 5, define mouse. Here is a worksheet. In this worksheet, you have to write down the names of different parts of the computer and its peripheral devices. You have to solve these questions and worksheet in your notebook. Thank you.